Here's an example of tracking for a regular representative. We are in campaign 14, and let's just say I was a contender and my sales goal was $150 to earn 30% earnings. I'm also trying to reach the High Five online goal. So that means that online orders can be coming in at any time during the campaign period. The campaign 14, 2019 ends on Tuesday, June 25th. To see how we're tracking, call 866-513-2866, select option 2 and option 3 to check the current award sales for this campaign, or view your sales tracker on avonnow.com under the Recognition tab. All orders that have been submitted thus far for the campaign will show, and you will know how much more you need to reach your goal. Remember, orders now can be submitted at any time, as often as you like, through your online store or traditionally on avonnow.com. So, how are you doing this campaign? What else do you need, and what is the plan? Let's stay focused on our goals.